How to allow JavaScript on Chrome. Allowing JavaScript on Chrome is essential for browsing modern websites, since most interactive features rely on it. Fortunately, enabling JavaScript in Chrome is very simple. First, open Chrome and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Then choose Site Settings. In the list of site permissions, find and click on JavaScript. On this screen, you'll see a toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable JavaScript globally. Make sure it's set to Sites can use JavaScript. If it's disabled, websites may not function properly, leading to missing buttons, broken forms, or no interactivity at all. You also have the option to manage JavaScript for individual sites. For instance, you can allow or block JavaScript only for certain websites if you need more control. This is helpful for developers or users concerned about privacy. If you ever run into a site that asks you to enable JavaScript, chances are it's been blocked either globally or specifically for that domain. By following these steps, you can quickly re-enable it and enjoy the full experience of modern websites. Remember, JavaScript is safe and widely used, so unless you're visiting risky or unknown sites, there's little reason to disable it.